our last dashboard to represent our last 12-month transaction revenue. Let's name it last 12-month transaction revenue. To represent this, first we'll add a line chart. We have already calculated measures for the last 12-month rolling 12-month average transaction. So we will use this, and we have an average transaction revenue. The first in line chart, we will represent year in x-axis from a date table, and a month also in x-axis, and in table we will add our average transaction revenue first, and then to comparing we will add rolling 12-month average transaction, and we want to view both the values, so we will select this icon that will reflect it will reflect for all the month and year. So it will help us to find out that what is the average for the last 12 months from the current month. Year in 2018 Feb, the current transaction is average is 1249. In the past month, the average rolling transaction is 1270. That is easily able to for comparison with the previous year to till year. Now we will add a matrix table. Let's click on blank canvas. Here also we will represent first from a date table, year and month, and we will select whatever measures we have created: average daily revenue, average transaction revenue, and the rolling month average. Now I want to represent both year and month. For that I will select the table and click on expand. It will represent me for all the year wise, month wise data of average daily revenue, transaction revenue, and 12-month average transaction revenue. Let's add one slicer, and in slicer we'll add a year. Now year is showing in timeline. We will convert into a list. We can increase the font size by going to the font tab, item, and for the matrix table also we can increase the font size. Select the table, go to the format, row header, and increase the text size. Now let's click it here for ascending order. Now our last dashboard is also created.